Northern Nigeria Youth Leaders Forum has announced a pledge of 200 million naira in support of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's anticipated second-term bid, citing national unity, equity and continuity as the basis for their endorsement. The pledge was made during a solidarity meeting of Northern youth leaders and political stakeholders, where the forum said the funds will be used to purchase the presidential nomination form whenever it is made available by the ruling party. Benedict Uku's report again is here presented.
Leaders from diverse ethnic, religious and political backgrounds across northern Nigeria have gathered in this hall to demonstrate their broad-based and inclusive support.
The youths have come together to raise the sum of 200 million naira to purchase the presidential form come the primary election.
Inshallah.
On
your mandate,
we shall stand.
I, the DG of Director General of TINUBU'S Support Group, wish to thank this organization for their generous donation in this dummy check of 200 million naira to buy and purchase the form of nomination for the presidential candidate of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu when the time comes. Inshallah.
Speaking at the event, Chairman of the Northern Nigerian Youth Leaders Forum, Murtala Muhammad Gamji, said the decision was taken collectively by youth leaders, professionals and stakeholders from across the 19 northern states, including those in the diaspora. Gamji said the group's support for President Tinubu was anchored on their belief in fairness. The zoning understanding reached under the late President Muhammadu Buhari and the need for South to complete its 8-year tenure in the spirit of national balance.
On behalf of the entire northern Nigeria, the 19 states, all the ethnic groups that are here, both at home and diaspora, we are telling you we are endorsing President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for second time.
We have made this to show that, yes, we the northern youth leaders, we are professional bodies among us, both at home and diaspora. We have decided to support President Bola Ahmed Tinubu with 200 million naira under the custodies of our BOTs and other leaders. When they decide to sell the form, we are coming out to purchase the fund for Mr. President for his second time, because we believe in the unity of Nigeria. We believe in the agreement between late President Buhari and Baba Ahmed Tinubu. The southern Nigeria should finish their 8 years. Then the northern Nigeria will come in.
Also speaking, Director General of the Tinubu Support Group, Umar Tanko Yakasai, welcomed the endorsement, describing it as a demonstration of political maturity and commitment to justice and fairness.
Muhammad Buhari in 2015, after attempting for 3 good terms, 2011 and he couldn't win, and with the support of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, then he won and supported him to complete his 8 years, and Northern Nigeria was happy because in 2019 I didn't see any credible person who challenged President Muhammad Buhari from South. I believe that the South has supported the North for 8 good years. It is the turn of the North to support President Bola Ahmed Tinubu.
Leaders present also recalled President's role in supporting former President Muhammadu Buhari's successful presidential bid in 2015 after multiple attempts and his backing of Buhari's 2-term tenure.
Why our leaders before did not think in that economic line? It is a man who has now came and thinking about that economic perspective. How can you choose a different pattern than prosperity?
Be mindful that it's a challenge for us to prepare ourselves for tomorrow. We must carefully place ourselves in strategic locations to aspire and take over leadership and continue with the solid foundation that was laid by our president in this country. There's no other time that we can have it as better as it is now.
The event drew youth leaders, political figures, and representatives from various regions, reinforcing calls for continuity and cross-regional operation ahead of the 2027 general elections.